Hello friends, welcome back to my session. So today we will be going to write a Java program to find the frequency of words in a sentence. So do watch this video till the end so that you should be able to understand its logic, and whatever I will explain I will try to put all those things as a comment in our code. So let's start with. So you could see here this word frequency. I just created one class. Now, very first thing what we will do is we will ask user to enter a sentence. So step 1 will be ask user to enter a sentence. So we will use scanner to read the sentence typed by the user. Fine. So, for example, I am just giving Java is easy and Java is powerful. Now, so we'll just create a scanner object to read the input. Okay, so this is basically scanner object to read the input. Okay, input java.util.scanner. Okay, now I will just ask the system to enter a sentence. Okay, this will be prompted in the screen. So this is basically show message to the user. Fine. Now I will give what we will do here, we will read the full line entered by user. Okay, now what we'll try to do, we will try to convert the whole sentence into lowercase. Okay, why? Because Java and Java should be counted at the same word. So I just want to count, this like uppercase JAVA Java and lowercase JAVA. Okay, so this should not be considered as different. So this should be counted as same word. Okay, that's why I took this step. Fine. Now I will give sentence equals sentence dot to lowercase. Fine. Now we will break the sentence into words. In our step 3, we will break the sentence into words. So we will use split, which means if I say we use this split, that is basically called space. Okay, so if there are multiple spaces, it will also work. Okay, so now I will do one thing. I will just give string array of words equals sentence dot split okay. Now we will create a hash map to count frequency of each word. Okay, let me put it in a comment. So in our step 4, we will create a hash map to count frequency of each word. To count frequency of each word. Hash map works like a dictionary. Fine. So key is equal to word and value is equal to how many times the word appears. So we'll give here hash map string integer word count equals new hash map. Fine. Now in our next step, we will just try to loop through each word. Okay, we will try loop through each word and update frequency in hash map. Fine. So if the word already exists in hash map, so it increases its count by 1, and if the word does not exist, add it with count is equal to 1. So we'll put for string words, okay, if word count dot contains key, that is word. So in that case, word count dot put word and word count dot get word plus 1. Okay, else word count dot put word comma 1. Fine. Now in our step 6, we will print the result. Okay, so now we print each word and how many times it appears. So for example, if I say Java is easy and Java is powerful, so Java appeared here 2 times. So we do one thing, we just print it. So that is system.out.println So word frequencies and for string word count dot key set, and will print word concatenated with and word count dot get word. Okay, and finally we will close the scanner. So we will just give close. Fine. So now this code is 100% self-explanatory. Every line has a reason written in plain English. So even if you are a complete beginner, you should be able to understand what logic we have applied. So I hope you understood this code. Now let's run this and see the output. Enter as a sentence. So if let's suppose I am entering a sentence, Java is easy and Java is powerful. So we could see here the word frequencies. Java appeared 2 times, perfect. Powerful appeared 1 time, and appears 1 time, is appears 2 times, C is and easy appears 1 time. So this was the expected output which was required. So I hope you enjoyed this session and you really liked the logic, and now you will be able to write this code by just understanding its logic. And if you really enjoyed this session, do like and subscribe my channel and stay tuned. We'll be coming up with more videos. Thank you everyone.